Reverse engineering alien tech. The story begins in the year 2037 on the outskirts of Nevada's vast desert. A clandestine research facility, dubbed Project Horizon, sits camouflaged within a labyrinth of mountains. Unknown to the public, the facility harbors a secret that would upend humanity's understanding of the universe. A downed alien craft retrieved during an unusual meteor shower 2 decades earlier. Discovery of the craft. The alien ship, referred to as Object Zeta, was recovered in 2017 after a mysterious explosion in the stratosphere scattered its debris over 50 square miles. The craft was mostly intact, with smooth metallic surfaces that seemed to defy scratches and corrosion. It lacked visible seams, bolts, or windows. The material emitted a faint, unidentifiable energy signature, and despite its small size, the interior appeared larger than its exterior, a phenomenon later called spatial distortion. At first, the object was handed over to the military, but soon scientists from around the world were brought in to collaborate. These included physicists, engineers, and cryptographers. However, progress was glacial. The technology was unlike anything on Earth, rendering conventional tools and methods useless. The breakthrough in 2025, a young physicist named Dr. Aidan Varner joined the team. Varner was a maverick, known for his unconventional theories about higher dimensional physics. He hypothesized that the craft wasn't merely a vehicle, but a multi-dimensional construct, operating across the third, fourth, and possibly fifth dimensions simultaneously. The breakthrough came when Varner realized that the alien material reacted to electromagnetic fields tuned to a specific, extremely high frequency. After years of experimentation, the team managed to activate a portion of the craft's interior. A control panel materialized, composed of floating, semi-transparent orbs of light. The interface wasn't mechanical, it was biometric, responding to the intentions and emotions of the user. Reverse engineering the tech. With the interface partially understood, reverse engineering began in earnest. Here's what the scientists discovered. Gravity manipulation. The ship's propulsion system operated on principles of gravity manipulation. Instead of traditional engines, it utilized a device that could generate miniature gravity wells, bending space-time to pull the craft toward its destination. This technology was dubbed the Gravitic drive. Early attempts to replicate the drive led to significant breakthroughs in energy efficiency. By 2032, scientists had created Earth's first anti-gravity pod, capable of levitating a car-sized object with minimal energy. Quantum computing. The ship's brain was a quantum computer far beyond anything Earth had developed. It could process information at speeds that made even the most advanced supercomputers look primitive. The ship seemed to make decisions based on probabilities, implying it could predict potential outcomes. Reverse engineering this technology revolutionized Earth's computing capabilities. By 2035, AI systems powered by alien-inspired quantum computing were transforming medicine, logistics, and even governance. 3. Material science. The hull of the ship was made from a material dubbed Z-alloy. This substance could self-repair, absorb energy attacks, and resist extreme conditions. Attempts to recreate Z-alloy led to breakthroughs in nanotechnology, enabling the development of self-healing fabrics and bulletproof materials. Spatial distortion technology. The interior of the craft revealed a mastery over spatial manipulation. Rooms inside were far larger than what the exterior dimensions allowed. The secret lay in the creation of localized pocket dimensions, spaces that existed parallel to our own, but were accessible through specific energy fields. This led to a paradigm shift in architecture and transportation. By 2036, humanity was experimenting with portable habitats, entire living spaces folded into small devices. The consequences, as humanity adapted alien technology, the geopolitical landscape shifted. Nations raced to control and weaponize the new technologies. While Project Horizon worked in secrecy, rumors and leaks ignited public curiosity and fear. Conspiracy theories flourished, and some began to question the ethics of tampering with something so alien. In 2037, disaster struck. During an experiment with a prototype gravitic drive, A massive energy surge destabilized space-time in the lab. A rift opened, a swirling void of light and shadow. From it emerged something alive. The being, later nicknamed the Echo, was incomprehensible in form, shifting between shapes and emitting a deafening hum. The Echo's presence caused widespread panic. It didn't attack but seemed to observe, its presence warping reality around it. After several hours, it vanished, leaving behind cryptic patterns burned into the walls. The event forced humanity to confront an uncomfortable truth. The technology wasn't just alien, it was alive. The craft itself, once thought to be a machine, was a biotechnological organism, possibly part of a greater intelligence. The moral dilemma. Dr. Varner became a vocal advocate for halting further experimentation, warning that humanity was meddling with forces it didn't understand. Others argued that the knowledge was too valuable to ignore, even if it came with risks. In a chilling final twist, the patterns left by the Echo were decoded in 2038. They formed a message in a universal mathematical language. You are not alone. Stop, or we will. The story ends on a cliffhanger, with humanity at a crossroads. Should they heed the warning and abandon their pursuit of alien technology? Or should they press forward, risking the wrath of an intelligence far older and more advanced than their own? The world holds its breath, standing on the precipice of a new era, one of unimaginable promise or catastrophic ruin.